Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Use Basics. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add CapCut on your ChatGPT. To get started with it, you first need to log in to ChatGPT in your browsers using chatgpt.com. After you've logged into ChatGPT, you can now find Explore GPT option on the top left corner of your browser. Simply click on Explore GPT. In Explore GPT, you can basically discover and create custom version of ChatGPT that combine instruction, extra knowledge, and combination of skills. In the search bar of Explore GPT, you now need to search CapCut. You now need to click on CapCut Video GPT, which has the logo of CapCut. This is a custom GPT created by CapCut itself. You can also see its description, rating, its rank in productivity, and conversation it had so far in ChatGPT. There are also conversation starter listed down and the capabilities of CapCut Video GPT. To get started with this, you now need to simply click on the Start Chat button. And that's it. You've successfully added CapCut in your ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment in this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for any future updates. Thank you for watching.